Do you drink mango juice every day? You might be missing some amazing health benefits, or even making a mistake. Watch till the end to find out. Welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about the powerful benefits of mango juice, how it helps your body, and the right way to drink it. Mango juice is full of important nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, and natural antioxidants. These nutrients help your body stay strong, active, and healthy. First benefit, mango juice boosts your immune system. Thanks to vitamin C, it helps your body fight infections and keeps you protected from common illnesses. If you feel tired or low on energy, mango juice is a great natural solution. It contains natural sugars that give you quick energy, especially in hot weather. Mango juice is rich in vitamin A, which is very important for your eyes. It helps improve eyesight and prevents dryness. Drinking mango juice can also help your digestion. It contains natural enzymes that break down food and reduce stomach problems like constipation. Want glowing skin? Mango juice can help. It hydrates your body, improves skin texture, and mayria. Mango juice contains potassium, which helps control blood pressure and supports heart health. Duchess acne. Mango juice contains potassium, which helps control blood pressure and supports heart health. It also contains vitamin B6, which helps improve brain function, focus, and memory. But wait, too much mango juice can be harmful. It may increase sugar levels, cause weight gain, and even lead to pimples. So always drink in moderation. For best results, drink 1 glass of fresh mango juice daily. Avoid adding too much sugar and always prefer fresh homemade juice. So mango juice is not just delicious, it's also full of health benefits when taken in the right amount. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.
Welcome back. Today we're making a delicious and refreshing mango juice at home, perfect for summer. To make mango juice, you will need 1 ripe mango, 1 cup cold milk or water, sugar, optional, ice cubes. First, wash the mango properly. Then peel it and cut it into small pieces. Now add the mango pieces into a blender. Pour in milk or water, depending on your taste. Add sugar if you like it sweeter. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. Pour the fresh juice into a glass. Add some ice cubes for a chilled, refreshing drink. Your homemade mango juice is ready. Healthy, tasty, and perfect for hot days. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes.
Mango is called the king of fruits because it is delicious and full of nutrients. Here are its main benefits. 1. Rich in vitamins. Mango is high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Boosts immunity, keeps your body strong. 2. Good for eyes. Contains vitamin A, improves eyesight, helps prevent eye dryness. 3. Supports heart health. Contains potassium and fiber, helps control blood pressure. 4. Improves digestion, has natural enzymes, helps break down food easily, prevents constipation. 5. Good for skin, makes skin glow, helps reduce acne, keeps skin fresh and healthy. 6. Boosts energy, natural sugars give quick energy, perfect in summer for refreshment. 7. Brain health, contains vitamin B6, helps improve memory and brain function. 8. Helps in weight gain, high in calories, good for people who want to gain weight. Side effects: too much mango may increase sugar levels, can cause weight gain, may cause pimples in some people.